Our brother don finally open police people nyash. No be small thing o. As they call carry this our brother, una go know am na musician wey dem dey call Kuti. As they come carry am go inside police, na im come find out say everybody wey dey inside that police wey dey for kidnap station. You know say these people dey carry people dey go inside bush na. Those people wey dey for there wey police people arrest, they say no be ordinary people o, na police. Oh God, things dey happen for inside Nigeria. Na police be those people wey dey inside cell. Na dem dey run the kidnapping work. This our brother don finally come open their nyash. My people go find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. Please share this video, very important. Share the video as we proceed. Share the video. Okay my wonderful people, you are welcome back. This na update wey we dey get today. Now we say we bring and come show you. I remember say e get the time wey they arrest this our brother, this our musician wey be Kuti pikin, Fela Kuti. Pikin. So they say that as he enter inside cell, he come find out say most of people wey dey there, wey dey catch them based on they do kidnap work. Those people now, they say them they work with police. Now police dey among them for all the whole group wey they catch. Say police dey among them. You see how we in Nigeria they go. I beg, watch the video. May no be like say na me use my mouth they talk. Watch the video before we come back, come proceed.
Nigerian police, when una go put me for cell one for party, una think say na they do me bad. Now I can expose the things I found out inside the cell. And what I found out, you know, say if you know panty, na two cells dey for panty, cell 1 and cell 2. Now cell 2 they put all the misdemeanor, gentle, all their, if you be celebrity where they arrest, if you don't sleep for Oga office, anytime they want to put you for cell, they'll put you for cell 2. But most of them now Oga office they sleep. Me I no sleep for Oga office. One, I won't die. But what I discover for cell 1, where they put me with all the hardened criminals, the murderers, the killers, the kidnappers, you say all the kidnapping group get police inside. All the kidnappers with inside cell 1 with me, police they inside them. In fact, now the police they be their ringleader. I swear down. No group of kidnappers who did that say with me will not get police member. Where they don't arrest, we did with them. Either down with the police they with us there, or they find the police in don't beja. One crew now even they don't catch them. Prison warder now he carry them escape. If they give prison warder open gates, they beja. So warder they can't arrest the warder with them. So warder said come inside inside cell 1 with them. All of us did there. Yeah. Facts. And now, bring me to my point. This is going to be a short life. And if anybody want to be, they go take their head, knock bamboo, knock kuta. I'm go dive and hawk transformer. The biggest group of kidnappers for Nigeria, the Nigerian police. All of us have been kidnapped by Nigerian police. All of us. What does it mean to kidnap person? What does it mean to be kidnapped? Somebody carry you against your will, right? And then somebody pay money to release you to that person. Yes, kidnappers, they call their own ransom. Police, they call their own bail. But bail is only official. And bail is for free. Nobody will take money from you to bail you. You shouldn't pay for bail. So anytime you give police money, that's not bail. That's ransom. Bail is free. So if you're in Nigeria, where somebody don't hold you, and you don't pay that person for them to leave you, you have been kidnapped. Let's rewind back. 5, 6 years ago in this country, they arrested a man called Evans. They arrest one man, they say his name is Evans. They say Evans is the #1 kidnap kingpin of this whole world. They say nobody they kidnap for Nigeria past Evans. Brothers and sisters, since they don't arrest that Evans till now, since they arrest Evans till now, has kidnapping reduced or increased? They say he's the mastermind of all the kidnap. They say Evans alone and they commit over 50% of all the kidnapping that happen for Nigeria. Say him and his crew. Say him and his crew. Now they kidnap everybody, they arrest everybody, finish. What happened after they arrest Evans for the kidnapping? Even the policeman, when they say arrest Evans, they hold on too, instead go jail. Now the policeman they don't release. As they release them again, I'm not being so. Is it a coincidence that they release, what is that policeman's name? I do video. Kiari. I don't forget his first name. But I know the last name that Kiari. I do one video call where I say if you want to hush by Kiari, because now here a hush puppy. Then they say in a super cop that time, and they call the man where arrest Evans. He's super cop, you know. He said just let us know a business partner. Because at the end of the day, when they arrest that Kiari, no crime where they no charge him for. No crime. Where they no charge Abba Kiari for. Yes, that's his name, Abba Kiari. There is no crime in this country. Drug dealing, money laundering, 419, kidnap, everything. And they for your head. And they've released him. And kidnapping has exploded again. So if Nigerian police is serious about stopping kidnapping Nigerian government, then let the Nigerian government workers stop kidnapping Nigerians first. Before me, I face kidnappers will be criminals, where they kidnap Nigerians. Let me face the ones where me are the pay salary, where they kidnap me. Everybody in Nigeria, except you are the child of one of these our oppressors, where they carry their own police around. You must have been kidnapped. I don't go for road when I see one. We just stand in front of my friend house. I can never forget. We stand in front of, we don't give them shishi. They lock me for cell all night. Uncle Beko then come bail me the next morning. We just stand in front of my friend's house. So they just pack bus. What is the scenario of being kidnapped? Not saying you go on your own. Pay go up, park motor, carry you, put inside the boot, lock the boot, or put inside the motor, lock the motor, carry you, they go. Then somebody will come pay money to release you. Why are we shouting kidnap, 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 as if we are not all being kidnapped in this country? They don't go wear uniform, no uniform, not be police motor, just downfall bus or white bus or blue bus. They will just park, carry boys, not inside the motor. You they go for road, they will just block you with their motor. Wow, carry everybody inside their motor. You can't go to pay them money to release your loved ones. You go pay them money to release your brother, pay them money to release your worker, your sister, your wife, your husband, your children. I was 16. I can never forget. I just did in front of my friend's house. Jack, I mean, even one give me the carriers, but Jack, mama get crazy, where? And Jack, the fear make mama even come because we were standing outside late. It was like 1 in the morning. Jack don't make him come, they make me say, eh. So he said, we just follow me, no talk, no. Sharp. I said, they carry us so for doing what we're just standing. Citizens of Nigeria, what have you done? You just have to be standing. And they shout, end SARS. No SARS again. Are you not still being kidnapped? Because people will do what they do. These people will do what they do. They come with guns, but say that because now poor people. See, these people will go and carry poor people, call it raid. For them to carry rich people, it has to be kidnapped. They can't just go and raid rich people now. So when they need to collect from una hand, when our boys want to train, give gun, no give good work. When they need to come collect from una hand, now they call and kidnap. Maybe that's everybody they sweep up under the carpet. Money they change hand left, right, and center. Kidnapper they collect 50 million, 40 million, 100 million. Nobody they see. Person go drop the money. Nobody they investigate. Money they move. Kidnapper go charge collect the money we won't collect. Police go say they rescue this person for stories. But I know if we want to stop kidnap for this country, the first step is to stop the Nigerian police from kidnapping Nigerian people. Finish. That's the first step. The moment these our political elites can talk to their attack dogs, say, leave Nigerian people alone. They're going to say kidnapping, gun will come reduce. Yes, that's the moment kidnapping will reduce in this country. The moment police themselves stop kidnapping Nigerian people. When you to stop kidnapping Nigerian people, we can now look at the criminals that are involved in kidnapping. But when it's a free-for-all for the institution, they are used to it. Then I go pursue the person from police. Or I go say, go on the day, take break. Somebody will say he's used to making money from kidnapping people every day. They just enter their police car, they go for road, carry innocent person. You must come pay money to bail now. Seize in phone, carry them, go ATM. Not be police, they do other one. Even the first armed robbery gang in this country. Anini, not be former police in Biabino, not be former police. They are Oga of their group. What will be that in name again? No? DSP Iyamu. Exactly. DSP Iyamu. Yeah. Police knife fooled the whole Anini squad. But you know, they teach us history. We don't remember these things. We know that we need to clean up these institutions. Many of the rots where they happen for our society come out from the same institutions which suppose they stop the rot. So the stealing of petroleum in Nigeria is perpetrated by who? Mostly NNPC. NNPC, we're supposed to protect the oil of Nigeria. They are the biggest thieves of Nigerian oil. Banks, we're supposed to bring wealth to Nigerians. Banks are supposed to bring investment. They are the biggest thieves of Nigerian money. They are the biggest creators of poverty. If you be big man, where one poor quick, just go bank, go take loan. When our educational institution, we're supposed to bring education and information to the minds of African people, rather give indoctrination. Make lecturers, they take bribe, they take blow job for grades, spreading stupidity. It is the institutions in this country we're supposed to protect Nigerians. Those are the institutions gone that sabotage Nigerians. Any institution they create in this country, the thing we're supposed to do, now that institution will destroy that thing. I never seen this kind of people before. Me, you didn't worry. It is the institutions, the anti-African, because these people don't understand that these institutions, not many, all the institutions that Europeans have created are institutions to exclude black people from the benefit of those resources that the institutions control. You understand? Academia, what does it mean in Latin? It's exclusion. Europeans create these institutions for exclusion, to remove you, not to bring you inside. So they are happy to spread these institutions in your country, put black people to run the institutions, because these institutions will still create the same results. Go to America, and they tell you now, go America, go black people area for America. The same thing with the experience as black people for Nigeria. Not the experience. Police.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't see the same police, so the same police. That is when their salary no reach them, they no get any other option waiting to do. But however, my people, share this video and leave your own comment, leave your own opinion for inside comment section. You see, when they say they don't carry people here, army people get checkpoint too, police they checkpoint too, but they still carry people to show them say na their business. They go come, they go say where they enter, they go waka inside bush, shoot gun for up, enter their motor, they don't go where the day where money go show so that they go enjoy their money. This our brother don't finally enter inside, come outside, go expose them. Share this video as it dey hot.